today my topic is how to train your child to be the dream children during this Chinese New Year. So as you know, Chinese New Year is around the corner, and what is the best time for them to learn as well as about values, right? So today I'm going to teach that one important value that we can teach so that they can be dream kids is that the word respect. R-E-S-P-E-C-T. Okay. Chinese New Year, when we go to people's house to visit, is always the elders, most likely, okay, or else it's friends. But this is time we teach them we need to be respectful to our elders, and we need to visit them during Chinese New Year. This is traditional that we have. And number two, and when we actually go to people's house for Chinese New Year to visit our elders, we also teach them to respect people's property. Because in Singapore, there are also many occasions that we actually do not go to people's house. So in Singapore, there are many children that do not actually go to people's house at all. So during Chinese New Year, when we do visit our relatives or friends, we need to caution our children that they have to respect people's property. Mean to say, when they are at people's house, they cannot touch people's things without their permission, or try to be respectful to the property there, and be careful not to dirty the place, and that's very important. So today you have learned to be the dream kids this Chinese New Year. The word is respect. So number one, respect your elders. Number two, respect property. So from the simple going to people's house to visit, this is the way that you can teach and train your children to be the children that you're hoping for. Okay, so I hope this video is very useful to you, and thank you for staying tuned to my end of my video. And I have this wonderful link to share about healthy recipes that you can do during this Chinese New Year for your kids, and I'll give you this link. And once you are linked in already, I'm also going to give you this special gift, right, so that you can actually enroll for my online course at 80% discount. So please click the link right away. This link will be available up to tonight midnight. Okay, so thank you so much. Please follow my page, like my page, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you like my video, share with your friends, save the video for future purposes. Thank you so much. Goodbye.